Hello there, my name is Grayman, and in today's video I'm going to teach you about have. Have is very important verb. I should say it's very important word in English. It's very common. Let's look at it closely. Have. If we look at have, we can consider it as a main verb. And by main verb, I mean, if I would say here, I have my breakfast at 7. So have here gives you the sense of eat. And eat is a main verb. So have could function as a main verb. As you can see here in this sentence, it replaces a main verb which is eat. Before I continue, and as long as it is a main verb, I would like to look at it closely. So have, this is the infinitive. And this goes with I, we, they, and you. And also has goes with she, he, and it. And the past of this is what we call infinitive. The past is had. For example, I say here, I eat my breakfast at 7, or I have my breakfast at 7. So I wanted to talk about yesterday. I had my breakfast at 7 this morning. I would assume I'm recording this video in the evening. So this morning will be past. Or I would say I ate instead of eat. Ate is the past. The past is ate. I ate my breakfast like 2 hours ago. Or I had my breakfast 2 hours ago. So now it's very clear. Have could function as a main verb. The past participle is had. And the past participle of eat, we say eat, ate, and eaten. So that's how have function as a main verb. Here, I'm talking about helping verb. Helping verb means is not main verb. And usually, helping verb here, have as a helping verb, goes with perfect, whether it is present perfect or past perfect. I'll make sure I'll make a video for the tenses. All the tenses, one of them is the perfect. But let's look at this sentence. They have completed their homework. So which one is the main verb? Completed. This is the main verb. This one is a helping verb. Okay? Helping verb. As I said, I will make a video for the perfect, and that would be very clear by then. But look here, this is a helping verb, and this is the main verb. Also, it can give you the sense of possession or ownership. I would say, I have a new car. Like now, I have a Toyota. I have a Toyota. That means I own a Toyota. So here, have gives you the sense of possession, okay, or ownership. Last year, I had a GMC. Like last year, I own a GMC, not a Toyota. This year, now I have a Toyota. Also, we could look at it as a model verb. I'll make a separate video about model verbs, and gives you the sense of must to. Like I have to do something, I must do something. I must wake up early. I must go to work early. In English we say go to bed, early to rise, makes human healthy, wealthy, and wise. So I have to go to bed early, and I have to wake up early. In other words, I must go to bed early. So I will make sure that I will make a video about the modal verbs, and then I'll talk in details about have to. Have to. I should have written here have to, not must to, because must does not followed by to. I must eat. I have to eat. Okay? So this will be like an introductory video for all this. I'll make sure I will detail this in separate videos down the road very soon. I hope you like today's video, and please follow me in the YouTube. My name is Grayman. Thank you very much.